Route 2A and B, Plymouth, outbound from the Blake Transit Center. From the stand parked on 4th Avenue, heading northbound. Proceed northbound on 4th Avenue. This is our outbound trip. The 2A and the 2B are the same until you reach Plymouth Mall. This video is to show you the route from the Blake Transit Center to Plymouth Mall. Refer to the variation videos to see which variation you're doing from that point forward. Currently at Liberty Street, continuing north on 4th Avenue, we're going to make a right turn at the second light, which is Washington. The coming light here at Washington, we're going to take a right turn. Proceed through 5th Avenue. Stop approaching. Division Street. Stop approaching. State Street. Continuing through the light at State Street, our next turn is at Thayer, which is at the stop sign. We will make a right turn. Currently on the University of Michigan Central Campus location. At the stop sign, it's North University. We will make a left turn. Stop approaching. Please remember to adhere to the Ann Arbor crosswalk ordinance. Whenever there is a pedestrian inside of a marked crosswalk, we must yield the right-of-way to said pedestrian. Continuing on North University, it turns into Getty's. Approaching the Central Campus Transit Center, or CCTC, this is a time point. Proceeding further on Getty's. Continuing on Getty's, we will go through the light here at Washtenaw. At the light is observatory. We will make a left turn. Making our left onto observatory. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Approaching East Medical Center Drive, we will make a right turn. Currently at Mott Hospital to the left. Stop approaching. Continuing on East Medical Drive. Our stop is approaching. It's not the first canopy, but the second canopied stall. The blue stripe, which is the stop for the main entrance of the University of Michigan Hospital. Continuing on East Medical Center Drive. Our stop is approaching. This is our last stop prior to reaching Fuller. After servicing this stop, you want to get over in the left lane, which will become the center lane in order to cross Fuller. As we cross Fuller, East Medical Center Drive becomes Maiden Lane. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. This is our last stop on East Maiden Lane. We will be making a right-hand turn onto Broadway, which becomes Plymouth. Stop. Approaching.